Quiet, please. Please stand. This court is back in session. Be seated and be quiet, please.
He on the record on the matter of Rachel D. Bond, co-defendant Michael P. McCarthy. Curtis, please identify yourself for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant District Attorney David Deacon for the Commonwealth.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gloria Maloney on behalf of the Commonwealth.
Good morning, Jonathan Shapiro for Mr. McCarthy.
Good morning, Your Honor. Janice Basil on behalf of Rachelle Bond.
Good morning, Ms. Bond. Good morning, Mr. McCarthy.
Your Honor, today is scheduled for probable cause hearing. I've been discussing the case since the arraignment with defense counsel. We provided initially a fair amount of discovery. Defense counsel filed motions for additional discovery, which we've discussed, agreed to the majority of it, not all of it. And I understand that in return for our agreement to provide the additional discovery, defense counsel is not opposing our motion to continue the probable cause hearing until November 19th.
Okay.
There are two additional matters, Your Honor. One is we have a joint agreement regarding, it's essentially a protective order regarding the discovery that we've provided that we would ask the court to adopt. It essentially limits defense counsel in terms of what they may do with the discovery, not to make it public, not to disseminate it beyond the defense team, and the order would be in effect until indictment, at which point it would become an issue for the Superior Court. We also, I think defense counsel has a motion for defense-conducted autopsy. We have agreed in consultation with the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner not to oppose that motion. Defense counsel has agreed to the conditions. We've negotiated those conditions back and forth for several weeks. I think the only remaining issue is finding a time when both defense experts and the medical examiner's office can carry out the procedure. What we're asking Your Honor to do is to order that it be conducted on or before November 19th, and we expect that we would then be able to have a mutually convenient time for it to be conducted.
It would be so ordered if that's what everybody is asking for.
That's correct.
Okay, good. So, next week for probable cause?
November 19th, we think, for probable cause.
Okay.
Judge, I have a motion for funds for the pathologist. Endorse one of them.
I have that as well, Your Honor. I have a motion for funds for the pathologist and a motion for further funds for the investigator. Thank you.
And if I may just ask, Your Honor, as to the orders that Your Honor has endorsed regarding the defense autopsy and the joint agreement on discovery, if I could have those just for a moment from the clerk to make copies for the parties now that they're endorsed, and then return them to the clerk.
I have seen that there was a motion for discovery in the human files, but based on what Elaine Deacon is saying, it sounds as if you've worked that out.
That's correct, Your Honor, and I'll waive that motion for now.
Okay.
Would you just grab copies and bring them back to me?
Sure, thank you.
I'll be there.
Same bill terms and conditions, Your Honor?
Yes.
As to Rachel Bond, defendant is held on $1 million in cash bail. As to Mr. McCarthy, defendant will be held without bail. Matter stands continued, both parties, till November 19, 2015 for a probable cause hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
open section, please.